I'll just leave it out the fridge.
What's going on, gang? Just chilling in my 1985 Toyota Sunrader. And gotta clean up this dirt pile. Got Jake here, my girl. And man, we got that Max here, man. I'm really happy about that, man. We gotta see what's going on with this floor, man. Chill a second. We might have to cut this out with a grinder. No, just don't rip it out too much. Yeah, you know, styrofoam gotta come out.
You gonna use this same styrofoam?
See, there's beams here, but what the heck are we? Is there a frame under there or something? See, once we rip this out, we ain't gonna be able to walk in this bitch. So we should mark like a 2-inch line from here and cut this out. But then again, we're gonna have to take this down. Yeah, pull this out. Pull this out. And, I don't want to half-ass this project. Looks like the frame's right there. We're gonna reframe the whole damn floor and fuck it. YOLO. Alright, gang. We got Jake over here measuring. We got this section ripped out. The front's pretty much done. I wrapped this front up because it's pretty much done. No light sanding, and then we can lay our beams. Insulate. And then lay our big piece of plywood. I'm also leaving this middle part open because I like jumping back and forth. And I'm gonna find a bed, or I'm gonna make one with a cushion that can fit over it, that can be removed. Because I really like that. Peace out. We're hoping we can. I'm thinking I'm gonna find a frame. Like we found a piece of the frame here. I'm sure there's one right here. Hope there's one right here. And we're gonna try to tie everything in. Yeah, clean it up and see what's going on with that. Cause that looks a little weird right here. Yeah, no, I hope the frame ain't broke. We'll see. Alright guys, we got this floor ripped out over here. You notice this thing's like hanging and bouncing, so we're gonna have to cut this metal right down here, peel this back to see what's going on right here, and then that will also show us how far we gotta take this back to this beam. So maybe we should take this back to the beam first. Black tank exposed, and that's the wires right there that Jacob was talking about. Hook up to the panel right here. This switch panel that reads how much wood is in there. Which, you know, how filled it is and whatnot. But yeah, looks like this fell. I guess the previous owner just, I don't know, I guess slapped a board over it instead of bolting it back up. But that's okay because he probably didn't notice. But yeah, we're gonna fix that, obviously. But we gotta clean it up right here. Pretty much after you lay the floor, and that's when you fix it. You know? You drill your holes, new straps, but it's hanging for now, it should be fine. Got that peeled back. Alright, I'm gonna clean up a little bit and try to expose this beam. Alright guys, trying to help myself. Actually do it right. We have to pull the back end out. This all needs to be done. And spare tires back there. And yeah, I'm gonna clean this area up. You know what I'm saying? Get all this cleaned up and, you know, buy wood to frame it in, because it needed it. This was falling. And I understand this metal's it's like a splash shield. So I'm gonna think about how I'm going to, maybe I'm probably just gonna lay a new piece of metal over the whole thing. Alright gang, I think this is where I'm gonna leave it at until I go pick up some supplies. Obviously, it needed to be done, guys. You know, there's no way around it. I had to do it. I want it done right. I want to insulate it again. There's a lot of stuff I need to do to it. As for up here, all this wood is pretty much down to fiberglass. Coming here with a sander. This seam, I might grind this flat. So when I lay my board, there's no, you know, rough surfaces. Still got some roof sag, but you know what? As long as it don't leak, I'll be happy with it, because I'm not about to rip the damn ceiling out. And if I ever do need to rip the ceiling out, luckily I won't have to mess with the walls. I could literally pull carpet down, pull the ceiling out, you know? It's cool how Sunrader did it. Obviously I didn't also finish out today, but it's okay, because my family wants to go out and get something to eat together. I gotta brace this up. There's a lot of things I need to do. Brace this up. This needs to be braced up. The strap broke. Pretty much all my straps. I got a lot of insulation to clean up under here, it looks like. But I really love this thing, man. What is this? Poop tank? Looks like the poop tank. some work. Everything needs some work. Just the running lights over there. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up. Alright gang, we got rainy day test. Alright gang, it's raining out pretty bad. We're gonna test some leaks on the rigs. Anything?
Nah, it's good.
It looks good. Got the AC here on my 1990 Dolphin, which put it in. Yeah, I mean it would be leaking in here. It obviously fall through this shit. So that's good. One down. No leaks. Sunrader. No leaks. Nice. Any leaks back here? That's not even leaking. Look at that, bro. I can't believe you got this done. Okay, guys, I tried showing as much as possible. But, you know, with the dark, it's dark out and it's raining. I just got off work. It's about 11 at night. And looks like we got some leaks in these front windows here. Not much, but there is leaks. Right here on this front window. The seal is letting stuff through. Really hurting my feelings. No, it's not nothing from up here. The running lights or nothing. It's right here in this middle section. Something's leaking under here and pooling water right here. Brian Baker better sell me a set of fucking windows. We're out here with the Toyota Dolphin. Got my buddy Thor with me. Alright gang. Decided to go to the store earlier and pick up some 10 by 20 or 20 by 10 aluminum sheeting to do this floor. It's pretty cheap.
Hey, happy Easter!
Alright, yeah. Happy Easter gang. Alright guys, happy Easter here at my gorgeous girl. Happy Easter guys, I'm just chilling. And I gotta go get more material. I gotta get more 1x3s to continue framing up the outer side of the floor to get all the tin flat, and on the bottom then I can start framing in the middle. And hopefully once that's done I can put insulation and a board right over top. Happy Easter everybody, just got back from Home Depot, got my buddy Jacob underneath helping me out. We got the tin down, framed in the sides. Now we gotta put our framing in the middle. Framing where the seats go latched down. And hopefully when we lay our piece of wood in here, everything matches up nicely and neatly and matches up to this existing wood. But yeah man, it's my 1985 Toyota Sunrader. We've been doing the floor. About to start laying our 1x3s and some 1x2s in the middle. But yeah, start the floor before we get the sides back in. Still gotta order my fiberglass for the things I'm gonna fiberglass off. So my plans are finish the floor, fiberglass, put buckets back, walls, start building in everything. What do you think? That's right. Let's do it. Alright guys, it's April and well it's April 1st / Easter 2018. I'm about to go chill with the fam real fast while my girl and I go to her house and I guess they made a ham or something, but this is how far I got so far today. Pretty much gonna frame it way better than that on this side and you get the point. Throw some insulation, lay the board down. If I can fiberglass it in, I can actually start working on the damn thing. Yeah. Alright gang, pretty much got these beams in. Nice and tough. Now the way that I did this is really weird. And I'll just tell you how I did it now. My ultimate goal was to get the tin first, something for the piece of wood to sit on so I can drill it down to it in the corners. So I could fiberglass it in. And I wound up taking this one from here to the frame. I had to take this one to that frame. Pretty much, long story short, it's gonna come out good. It's coming out good. Look at that shit I do. Alright guys, I just wasn't recording this whole time, so I'm gonna do some recording right now.
Look how straight I got the bracket. Look at that.
Straight bracket, not straight at all. Got Franklin underneath. My buddy Frank taping up the bottom of any imperfections or holes with metal tape.
I need fucking a knife.
There should be a knife right next to you, Frank. Right here.
Where?
Right next to you now. Got Frank under there rocking out. Floor's almost done, man. I'm really excited about everything. Jake up here making a custom bracket. Look at him.
Look straight out.
That I don't know.
As you can see, it's nighttime's falling. Got my gorgeous girl here. Got Jakob. I'm just gonna put this last support beam in right here, and the floor will be done. All right, guys, we got Jake here. Trying to show you some light, but he's pretty much jumping on it. All right, chill. And it's good.
A little nervous.
Sorry about the darkness, but yeah. We did a lot of work today on there. And it's coming together really well, man. I'm really excited. Go wrap it up for today because it's getting pretty dark out here. I did a lot of work today. I worked on the wagon most of the day, fixing it all, rack and pinion. Swapped it out from an automatic rack and pinion to a manual. Me and my girlfriend are thinking about buying a house. We're looking at this one. It's a fixer-upper.
Think we can.
Alright, gang, and today I cleaned everything up. And pretty much got the whole floor framed in. I just need to buy some fiberglass and insulation. And I gotta get a new piece of wood because it's short by a couple inches around before I can fiberglass it in to look like this. But that's where I'm at. And I also continued the backlights and got them all on. That's all perfect. Cleaned up the front also. I'll let you know when I get the fiberglass and do all the work to get these worked off. And fiberglass the floor, and I'll have a video for that of how I do it.